Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is NCT Jaehyun fortune analysis. NCT Jaehyun has applied for a fortune analysis. There was an application from an overseas YouTube subscriber. He had a fortune structure that was very suitable for organizational life, which also had artistic talent. Let's analyze it together. Jaehyun is a candor in his fortune. Candors are thoughtful and warm-hearted. Jaehyun has a strong side to his fortune. It is a square box of letters, and he also has the energy to meet his precious spouse and precious children, the letter marked with a blue heart. His fortune became a strong and precious structure, and he has a strong energy to start a new job well. Jaehyun is allied with the letter next to the letter that means himself in his fortune. Next to it, there is another letter like himself, and it is united. The letter means honor. And people who unite with the letter means honor often become handsome in a straight manner. I think Jaehyun is like that too. Having the same energy as himself again means that he is good at working as a group. The letter of honor also means the organization, which can be interpreted as meaning that it belongs to a large agency as a group activity. Jaehyun is another letter that means honor. The location is also a place for spouses, but as explained earlier, it is the energy to meet precious people, so it is the energy to meet precious spouse, precious honors, and precious children. I think Jaehyun's future development and happy life are showing. Also in fortune, this letter will be united and a harmonious family will be formed. The next letter is input energy, which is good for accepting information and acquiring knowledge, and is loved by mother and seniors. It means that there is someone who leads him, and although it's a weak position, there are letters that correspond to art. With the help of big agencies and seniors, Jaehyun can interpret it according to his fortune by showing his artistic skills through group activities. Letters that mean art also apply to speaking skills. Therefore, Jaehyun's fortune is that he can adapt well to public service or work life. Therefore, Jaehyun is not successful with his individual talents, but rather with well-maintained training and coordinating the agency's policies and talents. Please continue to improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.